VX3 Application Developers Kit comes with gloves, glass tray, 200 milliliters of VX3, filter, a pipette, and a funnel. VX3 features a PFAS-free reworkable coating that requires no masking and does not affect conductivity or connectors. To begin, ensure the device is completely powered off. Use 91% isopropyl alcohol to clean the board and apply using a lint-free microfiber cloth. Place the device on a clean glass container and slowly pour enough VX3 solution to submerge the board. Leave the device submerged for 5 seconds. Remove device from solution handling by its edges. Then drain excess solution from the board at a 45-degree angle. Do not expose to liquid during this cure time. Remaining solution can be filtered and funneled back into the bottle and can be used once again for further coatings. Store in a cool room away from direct sunlight. VX3 offers full 360-degree protection against water, salt water, dust, corrosion, humidity, and bacteria. Provides a non-PFAS solution that is compliant with REACH and RoHS regulations. Protect and increase the lifespan of your electronics with NanoFlowX advanced nanocoatings.